When I tell people what I do, it's a good conversation ender. People don't think about things like PVC pipe. It's one of those things that happens behind the scenes. At Atkore, we make water pipe, we make sewer pipe, but we make a large amount of conduit pipe. And it protects the electrical infrastructure, right? And the PVC pipe's essential in that. It's always been exciting to make something the world needs.
My crew called me and said the water was coming up and coming up fast. It was moving about a foot a second onto the property. When I got here, it was already 2 feet deep in the office. And for the next 2 hours, we watched it rise till it got up to the maximum of what we measured at 49 inches in the office. And we knew then that we had lost everything.
February 6th of 2020, there was a catastrophic flood. After the flood, it was pretty much a start from scratch, right? We knew it was catastrophic. We knew it was 6 months to a year of recovery.
Well, when I was taking these pictures, one of the biggest sounds around me was silence and just the sloshing of water and mud as we were walking through with our mud waders.
What we did, I'm still amazed to this day at some of the things that Atkore pulled off. We had our IT department within 48 hours had our servers back up and running and backed up. We were operational 72 hours after the flood.
7 o'clock the next morning, I had contractors down here and cleanup crews, disaster recovery crews, so that we could get started as soon as we could get in.
And there was just no complaint. There's just what can we do across the board.
With the new plant, we can produce more per production line than we used to, and we've expanded our capabilities of the products we can make. And to see it be able to come back and be a part of Atkore was great for me.
We've added what we call solid wall technology, and we've added water pipe and gasketed technology. And so now the plant has the ability to make a really wide array of products.
One of the products we're really excited about bringing back is our Cellular Core technology.
We have two big brands that we take to market with our PVC. One is the Allied brand, and the other is the Heritage Plastics brand. And then within those two brands, we've got this CoreTech product line that's this Cellular Core technology. The beauty of it is you use less PVC compound. It's got a solid wall thin layer on the inside and a solid wall thin layer on the outside, and in the middle, it's Cellular Core, so it's a foamed PVC, so we're using less material.
Over 30 plus years in the industry, I've supervised and installed probably 400 million feet of underground conduit. Atkore Cellular Core technology is far superior to any other product I've ever seen as far as going together, flexibility, making my job easier, making my back hurt less.
Being 25% lighter, we can load more conduit onto trailers and we can deliver more conduit at one time. It has a better bending radius than other manufacturers, so it cuts down on cost and it cuts down on labor.
I refuse to install anything else now.
Atkore has 9 PVC plants nationally, so we're now taking this Cellular Core technology across the country. If I could describe Atkore in one word, it would be excellence. We strive for excellence in everything we do. We try to push each other to excellence, and we try to do that in a way where we respect everybody as we do it.
Atkore was always extremely good to me. When the flood happened, I had to find other avenues to get conduit. Since then, we realized how valuable our relationship with Atkore was.
The service couldn't be beaten, the product couldn't be beaten. Every delivery was on time, on schedule. We had no issues at all. The truck drivers were there within 5 minutes of when they said they would be there and just going the extra mile.
Building better together. Building better together means building better products or better solutions for our customers. Whether it's finding a solution for the flood, whether it's finding a solution for products like our Cellular Core technology products, or whether it's finding a solution for our customers. We're focused on forging a future to serve our customers, all while powering and protecting the world. We're so excited to officially bring our Pendleton plant back online. And we can't wait to take our Cellular Core technology across the nation and build better together.